Okay, then I'm going to set it down right here. Oh, Nini. Hey, get them.
He's looking at it right now.
Hello. What would you do with the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. What would you do with the big bad wolf? Oh, what would you do with the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. What would you do with the big bad wolf?
Get closer and do it. Get closer and do it. Go.
What would you do with the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. What would you do with the big bad wolf? Will come and blow your home.
Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going.
What would you do with the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. Hello. You want to dance? Okay. What would you do if the big bad wolf, big bad wolf, big bad wolf? What would you do if the big bad wolf will come and blow your home?
Let's go.
Ay, get them.